Lily's first birthday was a zoo. Not a real zoo, of course, but her backyard had been transformed. Balloons, in bright primary colors, bobbed in the gentle breeze, alongside a bouncy castle shaped like a giant, friendly giraffe. Lily, a whirlwind of a toddler in a bright yellow sundress, toddled towards a small, fluffy lamb, its wool as white as freshly fallen snow. The lamb, seemingly as curious as Lily, nuzzled her hand gently, its soft nose twitching. Lily giggled, a sound as bright and clear as the tiny bells on her shoes. Her parents, Sarah and Tom, watched with beaming smiles. Tom, holding a video camera, captured the precious moment. Sarah knelt beside Lily, pointing out a playful kitten batting at a dangling toy mouse. The kitten, a tiny ball of ginger fur, was almost as small as Lily's hand. Lily reached out cautiously, her fingers gently stroking the kitten's soft fur. The kitten purred, a rumbling sound that seemed to vibrate through Lily's small body. A small pony, adorned with a colorful ribbon, grazed peacefully nearby. Lily, emboldened by her interactions with the lamb and kitten, toddled towards the pony. She reached out to touch its velvety nose, her eyes wide with wonder. The pony gently nudged her hand with its soft muzzle, a gesture of acceptance. Lily squealed with delight, clapping her hands together. Suddenly, a playful golden retriever bounded into the scene, its tail wagging furiously. It playfully nudged Lily, causing her to stumble backward. Lily, instead of crying, burst into laughter. She reached out to pet the dog, her fingers tracing the soft fur behind its ears. The dog responded with happy whines and sloppy kisses, licking Lily's hand enthusiastically. As the sun began to set, casting a warm golden glow over the backyard, Lily, tired but happy, was nestled in her mother's arms. She was surrounded by the gentle sounds of the animals settling down for the night. The lamb, kitten, pony, and dog were all part of her special day, creating memories that would last a lifetime. It had been a day filled with pure joy, laughter, and the simple, unforgettable magic of a baby's first encounter with the animal kingdom. It was a day that perfectly captured the essence of baby fun with animals.